also now is normal. Yesterday we just visit along with the DC and SP and the other officials from the district admission. Just visit because also now everything is okay. There is no more tension in that area. So that's just also at the same time is my own constituencies. I just visited to meet and to create a confidence with the people of that area especially. And also I assure them there's a full protection from the government for their safety. Actually, that area is it falls under the khanduli-Psiar. It has falls under areas of difference. So we are yet to discuss to take a final call on that. Concern point number one, they request the government to put the force there 24 hours, and we did it. And point number two, that is a little bit not in order. So some of our people who are still having a party feeling that side, they are still fear to go on for their activities. So we already instruct the DC board to have a meeting with the local people to solve this matter at the earliest possible. They should not be disturbed to attend the activities daily in that respective area. They put a force there, our force is still there and Assam is still there. So at least to avoid anything happening. Both sides, when the force from Meghalaya is there, Assam is also there. So at least maybe when things normal, we will think as of now, both sides forces there, from Meghalaya side and from Assam side also. So yet to discuss because actually that area before nobody goes do any activities there. So that is yet to discuss. You know the regional committee is there, so we have to discuss with both the parts. So until and unless the final border issue is solved, so it will remain unsettled only. So let's see. We are part of the second because that is falls under khanduli-Psiar area. Yeah, which is yet to be discussed. Yeah, this one I thought I will be having a discussion with the other counterpart, with the respective chairman of the other regional committee from Assam side. So when they are ready, so from my side, no problem, we can anytime. Yeah, obviously. Even I told my DC is always intact with them. There should be nothing, should be unfortunate incidents. They are updated every now and then, and that's why as of now the restriction there is normal, no tension anymore. So yes, there is some parts left we will discuss. So at the state level, so first I will try to connect with the other chairman of the regional committee from that side, and we will take a call. We will try to make things normal as usual while we are waiting for the permanent solution with the border issue settlement. That we have to meet first. The reports only shoot from DC. That is the report only. So about the report of the regional committee, after we see only we will shoot to the state government from what the committee. Tachara is already done. Yes. And this one khanduli-Psiar and block 1, 2. Yeah. So khanduli-Psiar is one part and block 1 is one part. It's happening. You know, this border is not only now, right from the day one, from the last so many it was there. So that is one of the reasons government is taking this very serious issue to solve this border issue. That is the main cause. So at least we would like to solve this once for all. So seeing this long pending issue, which is for the last 50, 60 years issue, so it will take some time. But anyway, from the government side, we are really taking serious on this issue.